Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to install the Blumat irrigation system into your raised bed. We need to soak these Blumat carrots for at least 15 minutes. We're going to attach the bulkhead to this 5-gallon reservoir bucket. Take this pointy side, put it in, and screw it in. Now what we're going to do is just map out exactly where we want the carrots to be. So the arrow is pointed down. I'm going to unscrew the top of it. I will attach this part. And then you have to make sure that the tubing goes fully over this part. And now I'm going to screw it in. This will allow us to turn the watering on and off, which is really nice. We will be attaching the fittings to the tubing, and this will be where our Blumat carrots will live. And then take the other side, just like that. What I did was I cut off a little piece of the tubing, attached it to the other end, and then I attached the purge valve at the very end of that and secured it really tightly. I'm gonna detach it from this, and then I'm gonna cut it so that I can make it shorter. And I will do the same for all of them. We're gonna attach the carrot tops to our carrot bottoms. This process needs to be done underwater. Now let's attach the carrot to our fittings. So we want it to look like that, where the tubing is completely over. I'm actually just gonna put the spike in where I need it, right here. And we're gonna push it in until the only thing that you see is the green top. We're gonna fill the reservoir up with our water. The last thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna purge any air. I'm gonna turn it parallel to the water, and it should be coming in. There we go. Right now, I am not seeing any air bubbles, which is a great sign. We want it to be a solid stream. Okay. So I'm just gonna turn it off. And I'll just use the remaining water in here just to kind of water around where the carrots are to make sure that they are moist. I wanted to give a big shout out to Sustainable Village for sending me their product. It allows me to be a little bit more hands-off. You don't have to worry about setting up a timer. Just make sure that the bucket is filled with water, and that's it. If you are interested in buying these products, I have a 5% discount code that I will include in my bio. I will definitely be doing a update video in a few weeks to see how much my plants have grown using this watering system. Thank you guys for watching.